Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss examples of exercise 12.1 that is based on Heron's formula. Fine. One very important thing to remember that we use Heron's formula where to find out the area of triangle where it is not possible. You may say where it is not possible to find the height of a triangle. Fine. So you may say that we can use the Heron's formula to find out the area of a scalene triangle, because in scalene triangle all three sides are different. Fine. So it becomes difficult, or you may say it is not possible to find out the height, and without height we cannot calculate the area of triangle using half into base into height. So there we have to use Heron's formula. Fine. So now let us discuss some examples. Like first example in the book it's given that we need to find out the area of a triangle where three sides are given. So we are writing the sides as A 40, B is 24 and C is 32. Now for using the Heron's formula, what is the formula? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. First thing is we need to find out S. Fine. So what is S? A plus B plus C by 2. 40 plus 24 plus 32 by 2, which is equal to, you can see, 40, 64 to 66, that is 96 by 2, which is equal to 48. Fine. So now let us substitute the value here. So area will be equal to 48, 48 minus 40, 48 minus 24, 48 minus 32. So it will be 48 into 8 into this will be 24, this will be 60. Now because we have to find out the under root, we'll try to make the pairs of the factors. No need to go to the complete end of prime factorization. Try to make the pairs. Like 48 I can write 6 into 8. Let this 8 be here only because we have its pair. Then 24, 6 into 4, we have the pair of 6 also. Then 16 is 4 into 4. But we can see as we have the pair of 4, so we can write this 4 as 2 into 2. Fine. So we will calculate. One number will come out from the pair, 6, 8, 4 and 2. Then you can do the multiplication. You will be getting the answer as 384 centimeter square. So this way we use Heron's formula to find out the area of triangle where all three sides are given. Now let us do one another example, which is given in your book as example number 1. The question says, find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 and 11. That means A is 8 centimeter, B is 11 centimeter and perimeter is given to me this 32 centimeter. Now we know that when we use Heron's formula, we use semi-perimeter. Semi means half. So that means perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides, A plus B plus C. Now for finding we need the value of C. So 32 is equal to 8 plus 11 plus C. So it will be equal to 32 minus 19 equals to C, and that will be equals to 13. C is 13. Now we know the value of A, B, C we have calculated. Now you can follow the steps as I have discussed in the previous question. I am calculating up to S, then you can try on your own. So S will be equal to, see here S you can calculate directly because S is semi-perimeter. Perimeter is given 32. Semi means half. So 32 by 2, that is 16 centimeter. Fine. Then further you know area will be what? I am just writing the values. Calculations you will do on your own. S 16 into 16 minus 8 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 13. After solving you may get the answer. Fine. Now I am going to discuss the last example for exercise 12.1. The question says, a triangular path ABC has sides 120, 80 and 50 meter as shown. That means the value of A is 120, B is 80 and C is 50. They all are given in meters. I am not writing that. Now, a gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant the grass inside. Now fencing is done on the boundary. So for finding the length of the fence, we need to find out the perimeter. Fine. And grass inside, that means we need to find out area. How much area does she need to plant and find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. Now I am saying that suppose this is the park. Firstly I am talking about fencing. Fencing means, as I told you, that we are talking about the perimeter. But suppose this is 120, this is 80 and 50. But he says we need to leave 3 meter wide space. Suppose here in between some gate is there. Fine. So this space, this is 3 meter. This we need to leave. Fine. Now we know what is perimeter. A plus B plus C. But in this case we need to subtract 3 from here. So perimeter will be equal to 120 plus 80 plus it will be 47. Fine. So what will be the answer? This will be 247. Fine. Now he says in the question that rupees 20 per meter is the total is the cost. So total cost will be 20 multiplied by 247. That you can calculate. It is coming out rupees 4940. Fine. Second thing he asked that how much, find the cost of this, and how much area does she need to plant. That means we need to find out this area also. Now we already know that when sides are given, how we find out the area? Using Heron's formula, where A, B, C are given. So simply the same way as I discussed in the first example, you will be calculating S, then S minus A, S minus B. Fine. Let us discuss only up to S I am doing. It will be 250 by 2, that will be 125, and then similarly you can find out the area. This is S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, and then under. After solving you will be getting the answer as 375 under root 15 meter square. Fine. So this all was about exercise 12.1. After watching this, you have to solve the exercises in your notebook. Thank you.